Hello and welcome to today's video where we will explore the fascinating world of network scanning using Nmap. Specifically, we will focus on the two essential scanning techniques TCP and UDP scanning. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to use Nmap for these scans and why they are crucial for network administrator and security professionals. Let's begin with the TCP scanning, which is one of the most common and versatile techniques used to discover open ports and target system. Nmap offers a various TCP scans options and we will demonstrate a few key ones. In this example, we will perform a TCP scene scan. The scan sends the scenes packets to target ports and analyze the response to determine whether the ports is open or closed. Here is the simple nmap command performing the TCP scans. So, and then place your IP address of target IP address 192.168. I place my metasploitable IP address. Okay. Here is the result, all TCP scans. Okay. Another useful TCP scan techniques is the TCP connect scan, which is attempts to establish the full connections with the target ports. It's less extensively, but can provide a more detailed information about the service running. You can use the TCP connects like here was the result of HT command. Now let's move on to UDP scanning, which is a bit trickier than TCP scanning. UDP is a connection-less protocol, making it more challenging to determine the state of UDP ports. In this example, we will demonstrate a UDP scanning using Nmap. This scan sends UDP packets to range of ports and analyze the response to identify ports, open ports. To perform a UDP scan, use this nmap command and then place your IP address of target IP address. Okay. You can also combine UDP scanning with a version detection to identify the service running on open UDP ports. Nmap and -su and -v for version and hit enter. In a conclusion, TCP and UDP scanning are essential techniques for a network reconnaissance. Whether you are a network administrator ensuring the security of your systems or security professional identify vulnerabilities in a network. Nmap is a powerful tool that can help you to achieve these goals effectively. Thank you so much for joining us in this exploring and TCP and UDP scanning with Nmap. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and interested in network security, stay tuned in. More informative tech tutorials. As always, stay curious and keep learning.